Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, me and my daughter Nicole have cooked up another collab that anybody with a YouTube channel, they can join in. But if you join in, please let me know in the comments section of this video, so I'll be sure to add your YouTube link so people can check you out. Okay, we'll be using primary colors only. Okay, that's the red, the blue, and the yellow, and of course black and white. So you're only going to use 5 colors, and if you know how to mix colors, you can mix all the colors with these 3 colors plus black and white. We want it to be a landscape painting. So I'm using acrylics because it's easy to work with and they dry fast. If you want to use watercolors or oil paint, or oil paint take too long to dry, y'all. Yeah, it's going to be a painting collab. Okay, please don't go over 30 minutes, and if your video is going to be real long, please speed it up so it's not over 30 minutes, because ain't nobody got time to watch all that, and I know I'm bad for making long videos. So speed it up so it don't go over 30 minutes. Okay, you can paint when you get ready, and we're going to showcase everybody's paintings on Wednesday. That's next Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, so we got a week. Next Wednesday, March the 23rd at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. So, like I said, you ain't got to know how to draw to paint, because I don't know how to draw, but I can paint. So a landscape is, of course, trees and grass and stuff like that, or mountains, even sunset or the sea. If God made it, paint it. We ain't talking about painting no people or nothing, or no fruit. We want landscape. Okay? Landscape type paintings. We don't want no abstract. So, and what else? So be sure and let me know if you want to join in this challenge. And then if you do join, give me your YouTube link before Wednesday, March 23rd, so I can add it, so I can update this and send people your way. If you're trying to build up your YouTube watch hours, this is a good way, because I'll send people your way. Okay, so once again, this is the primary color landscape collab. We're using the 3 primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow. Plus, we can have black and white. Okay? Don't go over 30 minutes. If yours is 2 hours long, speed it up so you can whittle it down to 30 minutes. Okay. And make sure it's your own work. Don't be showing nobody else's work and saying you painted it. And we would like to see you actually painting. Okay? Alright. And you can describe what you use, what kind of paint you got, what kind of brushes you got. So, some people like to put music when they're painting. Some people like to sip and paint. Some people like to chat. So, I think I'll just be talking a little bit while I'm painting. Maybe sipping on some tea. So, just want to get this video up. So, you got a week to show us what you can do. Show us what you made of. Okay? And I'll be using, I'm not sure if I'm using a regular canvas, like, well, I can't turn this. I may use a canvas, I may use a board, and mine is gonna be probably an 8x10 size. I'm not sure yet, but the bigger the painting, the more time it's gonna take. So 8x10 is a good size for me. You can do 5x7. Just make sure it's not one of them little 4x4 squares. Please don't do that, because we want to see what you can do. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I'm hoping I get a lot of people to join in this collab. I'm excited. Get excited with me. Okay, and I'm going to put my daughter's channel, link to her channel, because I'm sure she'll be talking about this too. Okay. Bye, y'all. Be blessed.